If it's your first time seeing this face, hi, it's RebaRosey here. Welcome to the main squad. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi girl, hi boy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am an educator and motivator, entertainer. So if you want to get educated, motivated, and entertained, please do make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss my videos. So hi guys, I am starting a whole new vlog today. I don't have much content on this video, I believe, but yeah, I just have a few things happening, not much, but yeah, I'm gonna be going out tomorrow after work to do my toiletry shopping. Yeah, I think that's quite like a bit of like that's more of the content that I'm willing to show you in this video. First things first, actually second, because I started with that. I just wanted to say that I'm very grateful for the love that you showed me on my previous vlog. This vlog, yo guys, but also I feel like this is actually my best work. I can actually do better. Hey, this work, if you don't gotta like this, where I am right now is not the place for me. I'm supposed to be going like up. So what when about it? How we could know that you're going down. You are going down. Because okay, I don't wanna like my life. I can't be complaining about a lot of things, but also my content, I'm going down. I'm going down. But upon that video, like that video gave everything, you know, the aesthetic, see the place, see, you know, my energy. That video is just, you know, guys, that video, I feel like that's my best work, according to me. I don't know what you guys say, but I really feel like that was my best work, and I feel like I wanna like improve from that. No, you're like I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back. Oh boy, just that ish so but yeah, thank you so much for the love that you showed me on my previous vlog. I just feel like you guys can actually do that for all of my vlogs. Just support a girl, just show a girl some goodest love. Show your homie some love. Anyway, I mean it's 2 minutes down, but yeah, actually I took off my nails because they were bad, you know. I'm gonna show you a video just now. Alright, my hair is very bad, like bad, but guys, I love this color. I think I'm gonna get a hairstyle in this color again, because I actually want to make this color my signature color. Because what is this, honey? Like, I love this color, I enjoyed this color. Anyway, I'll have to do my hair in 3 days because next week I'm going somewhere and I need to look the part. So yeah, hopefully you're gonna enjoy the video. I love you guys so goddamn much. Hi guys. How about for Oya? That you know that
I wanna live ilumunad.
You are going down.
There's no worry. Asubele. Down.
Yo guys, like I had a hectic day. Okay, not me being ready to attack physics, and then this kid decided to lock me out. Like people like they don't care. They don't, hey? Like they don't care. Anyway, I just came to say I'm going to town to get like toiletries. I'm probably gonna do a toiletry haul or king when I come back. I'm down bad. guys? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm looking so crusty, I know, but I'll fix that in a few days. So I just wanted to show you guys all the things that I got from Clicks. That's probably for the thumbnail, yeah. Okay, so in here I have my Micham. I've decided to leave my Dove. Not that I've decided to leave it, but like when it's like summer or like spring, it doesn't do the work. Why am I smelling it now? Like that. Okay. So I also got this air freshener. I've been using this one. It's aroma. It's aroma. Then the fragrance is jasmine and magnolia. So this one is sheer vanilla embrace. I hope that they're gonna smell like similar, because I love this one a lot. I got it from Clicks, but today I did not get it, so I got this one. Let me just but it smells nice. Okay, that one finished, so I've been using this from Woolworths. It's the sandalwood and vanilla. It, for me, is just fine. Oh, but this one, guys, this is a plug. Like this one, you should go get this one. But there's another one that I love so much, but I think I'm gonna order it from Take A Lot. I love that one. It's called the fragrance is ocean, what is it called? Ocean something, like ocean, it's blue or like turquoise. It's ocean water. I'm probably gonna leave it a picture of it here. Fuck, I look so crusty, but yeah. But this one might just replace that one. So I also got this. I got this from, like, I initially like knew about this from my campaign, my Nivea campaign. I had a campaign on Instagram, so since then I've been loving it. Okay, so the campaign products finished, but like I had to like stock up on this because I love it so goddamn much. And I always mix this with my magnolia, okay, this is coconut heaven, but sometimes it's magnolia tissue oil, but as long as it's this from Pep Store. I also got this from Pep Store. I don't think like my setting is like the right, like I don't even think like this is the place to be, but I don't have any choice. I also got these pads from Kotex, and I also got these. This is what I use, the Liliet panty liners and the pads. I got, is it 3? Yeah, I got 3 of the Detour. I love using Detour so much. I even bought like the Detour whatever, but I'm gonna show you right now. I got these 3 of these. I'm not really deep on like skin routines and whatever, but my mom is using this, so whenever I'm home I use this. So I was like, let me just buy it, because now I don't think I'm generally I'm generally not even allergic to anything. I don't react as much like to products and whatever. Products are just okay, like fine. But yeah, I wouldn't mind getting like this for me to use for my face only. Yeah, I also got these 2. I usually use this one, like I love the fragrance of this one, but I was like, let me just get this one. But like they were it was a sale. I think it was a sale, so you had to get this and this for like 90 rand. So I was like, yeah, I'm taking both of them because I want to try out this one. But this one slaps more. It's called the Moonlight Floral. It is a body wash. It's a body wash. Check it out. Screenshot. It smells heaven. Also, I'm gonna try out this one and I'm gonna tell you how it smells. It's written coconut crush. Then I also got these toilet block, insistent toilet blocks. I will usually like pot in one. And I also got this. It is a moisture absorber dehumidifier in a lavender fragrance. Lavender. I got 2 of these. The other one I've already placed it like that side. I'm sweating. And I got my Mentos. I got these 2 babies because my hair. I believe that now I'm a perfect choice girl. I just believe. And I had to stock up on my things, like my products that I use for my hair. So I got these 2 babies because right now, if you actually just really look at me, I'm a weave girl, you know, so they need to be clean at all times. So it was also a sale at Clicks. Go check it out if this video comes out early. There's a sale on Clicks, at Clicks. This is what I was talking about. This is the plug, guys, if you are like going through, but I'll make a video soon about it. This is what I bought. Hopefully the lighting is bad, but this is what I bought. Okay, hi guys. Actually, let me close the door. Okay, so I am the most happiest girl on this whole entire world. So this is, let me show you now. So this is, which one is the old? Okay, so this is the t-shirt I had in varsity. POV, I'm a graduate. Okay, so this is the t-shirt that I had in varsity. It was written RebaRosey, NW Mafikeng Chess Club, and at the back it is a queen and a king. I was playing chess at NW Mafikeng campus. I love it, even though like anyway, my experience in chess, bad. Yeah. So this size, I think it was size. Small. Yeah, I think it was size small. So now it's no longer fitting me like kitty crop top or doing another. So I wanted the same, like the very same thing, like same thing, but like in a large color. What, in a large color? Batung, large color in a large size. Yeah, I wanted it in a large size. So I came here and I was like, I'm looking for somebody who can do like embroidery stuff and whatever. Then I met this other guy, Cloudy. Yeah. Then I said like, Cloudy, can you please do this for me? They was like, yeah, I can do it. Just give me like the one that you want me to duplicate. I was like, yeah. He did this. So I wanted like my surname now, because now I'm a teacher, so I can't be going around but one piece. I don't want that, and I hated it. Like in campus, everybody calling me by my name. So the big reveal. Yo, this is what we have now. Yo, guys, am I not happy? What is this now? What? Okay, it's written my surname, Maine, NW Mafikeng Chess Club. Same thing, honey. Same thing. Not in large. I get a new bona What's king? Life, you know, it messed up. But how we could have a home and mobile pillow? Know that you're going down. Yeah, so man, I started gaining a lot of weight. Even when I guess I lay because I'm just like, you know, it's a thing now. I buy things for 2 months. The other month, you move like that. Yeah, but this is what I love. Like, I feel like this is my highlights. What 2022 a young actually having to duplicate my t-shirt. Love it. So can Wednesday kuno roka. Anyway guys, bye. That's all for today. Hi guys. Okay, my shadow is not so great. It's time I removed this from my hair. Anyway, I'm wearing Skipasa LBS. Okay, this was a promo. They gave it to me, I think, the year 2020. Is it 2020? Actually, 2021, because yeah, that's when I had my YouTube channel. Okay, let me put you guys down, because obviously I can't be up. But yeah, this is the t-shirt that they gave me for the promo. It's written LBS, Lucas birthday shanties. It's 2022. Man, I feel like at that time I was supposed to actually be the girl of LBS. Hey, just in late bloomer. I'm such a late bloomer. But yeah, let me unravel my hair. It's called unravel. Please, you're not undoing. And then like thing. It's done, bitch. Yeah, I'm almost done. So after here, I think I've cut my hair. Oh, I did. Actually did. So I'm done now doing my hair. I'm still struggling from hairline. You guys, like, oh, dirty hair. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video up until this far. I love you guys so much. We'll see each other on my next vlog. Bye.